can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you know when I post new videos. I post like maybe every other day, kind of. You know, I've been on a roll lately. So today I am going to Goodwill or whatever donation center because I decluttered last night. I have a lot of clothes, and even though I declutter, I still have to go through the things that I do have and kind of do another round. You know, it's just is what it is. One of my rooms is clean. Dun, 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 this room. So my little guest room is completely clean and spotless. I do have like some notebooks and stuff over here, but for the most part, you know, it's just real clean. I'm feeling really good. And then like some of this like stuff I still have to go through, but for the most part, she's looking good. I am about to head out right now, and this is my outfit of the day. It's cold here. This should keep me warm. Got my little pink scarf, my little pink coat, and if it decides to rain, I don't think it's supposed to rain today, but it's definitely not sunny right now, but you know. Alrighty guys, these are the bags that are about to get taken to my car to get out of here. Okay, downtown Brooklyn right now, and I decided to pop in this apartment building and see like what it's all about. And of course I have Justin, because Justin knows all like of Brooklyn basically.
I'm like showing her around,
but I want to know I want to know just some of the better areas that's closer to the city, not necessarily further out, because Brooklyn is huge. I think people don't realize how big Brooklyn is. Like,
but downtown is like ghetto, mad ghetto. It is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is, girl. I went to school out here. Downtown is ghetto. Well, honestly, where you live, it's a different kind of ghetto. This is more like Brooklyn ghetto. Yep, yours is not ghetto. It's just like there's nothing going on over there.
I hope it's parking down the street.
Like, I feel like even your area, you could walk at any time of night and like kind of be okay. Here, you can't do that. They will rob you, snatch you up. Nothing. Is this building?
No, I'm just trying to find parking. Boop, 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 beep, beep, beep. Hello, hello. One stroke parallel parking.
You didn't teach me how to drive.
Oh Lord.
Are you a good teacher?
I mean, I never taught anybody before, but my grandma taught me. My grandma tried to teach me how to do a stick.
Oh.
I just kept.
Do you know how to drive it? Like if you had to.
I couldn't. I literally failed every single time.
But like if you was like,
I failed.
If I needed you, if like I was stabbed and I needed to go to the hospital, and it was only a stick shift, would you like take me to
Uber? I'm calling the Uber.
Bitch, call the ambulance. Bitch, not no Uber.
The ambulance gonna take too long. We could have been there already.
Yeah, that's true.
Let's go see what this bullshit's all about. Justin don't like this area, but I feel like he being biased.
I mean, it's cool though. It's like honestly, if Williamsburg is like Williamsburg, I would.
What's your top? Okay, what's your top areas? I
would say definitely my area, Williamsburg. Then I want to say it's between downtown and Bushwick, only because both of them have their little areas that are cool, and then the rest is just mad ghetto. So like Bushwick is like, it has this little areas that's nice, and then the rest of the fucking town is ghetto, just like downtown. Like,
what about Bed-Stuy?
That's more like how, yeah, it's nice, but I wouldn't. Okay, maybe ghetto's too harsh.
Ghetto's too harsh.
Maybe like hood, like the hood. Like downtown is definitely the hood.
Why?
But like I feel like with you don't take trains or nothing anyway, so you wouldn't have nothing to worry about, honestly. Like you drive, you're in and out your house. Like you don't, like you could live anywhere in New York and not see the hood side of things. Like, you know what I mean? I mean, I guess the Williamsburg, Bushwick, downtown, then like Bed-Stuy and Bushwick are kind of the same, so I'll put Bed-Stuy because they're like literally close to each other. Then that's the good area.
Do you like
Let's talk about
Do you like
yeah, but I consider that my area too. Okay, so Williamsburg, Greenpoint. This literally all walking distance though. Like Williamsburg, I could walk from my house to Greenpoint. I could walk from my house to Bushwick. I could walk from my house to Best Side. Cause they're like all around each other. I don't know. It's weird.
But it just depends on what part.
Now let's talk about the bad ones.
Okay.
Brownsville, Canarsie, East New York. And I think that's it. I don't think I'm missing any other places.
So Brownsville,
Red Hook, Mad Ghetto. Brownsville is the worst. The worst, literally. And I think that's it. I can't think of anything else right now.
Yeah.
So those are the ones you have to stay away from.
But I will say, downtown Brooklyn, price-wise, is basically like mini Manhattan, mini Midtown, mini Chelsea area, mini, like the prices of these buildings.
Oh yeah.
Are like,
it's a lot.
This, you might as well live in the city.
Yeah.
Like, why are they so much? But it's right there because the train, like, you know, that's why.
Yeah.
Let's see what this all about.
All right.
So guys, I'm waiting for Bianca to come up here and give us a tour, but this is the model apartment studio and how it looks and how they have it set up. I always like looking at the models because like they have their little wallpaper up and their paintings and how they have it. All the kitchens will have the gray, so don't know how I feel about that, but they have like little pantries and stuff. So I wonder if the 2 bedrooms will have this too, but just waiting for her. Working stuff. Here we are. This is what this building looks like. I really like it. It's huge, it has a terrace, but unfortunately someone has an application in, so may not be able to get this. They're like, I would be on the waiting list to see if their application doesn't go through. This is the closet space in here. Hello. Another closet. That's not really nothing, like, but you go in here, and this is the master bathroom. That's the towel in the bathroom.
So this is the same layout.
I'm going to show you another one with 2 terraces and a bathroom as well, because of the application. But they are 168 square feet.
Okay.
That's your first terrace.
Okay, the same length as the other one.
And then another room in the back.
The rooms are big.
Yeah, the rooms are huge.
Oh. It's weird.
I knew you were going to say that.
It's a lot of time.
Yeah. It's a lot of hallways. The master is smaller. Yeah, the master is smaller.
They should have been too big.
They could have dealt without this terrace and just made the master bigger.
That's not how the building is like cut.
I know. They could have not have cut. I feel like I don't like this only because it's just the living room. Yeah, the living room. I feel like this space is just like I feel like I have a large living room now, and I don't use the living room space. Like I'd rather it be somewhere else. Look at Justin. He hungry as hell.
You eating tilapia?
Are you judging me right now?
Yeah.
Are you judging me? Knowing I got mozzarella sticks and wings.
But you know tilapia is not real fresh.
Well, we at Applebee's.
You don't care, right? You love seafood regardless.
No, some tilapia is really nasty. But we at Applebee's, you not getting no premium fish. Why do you think I'm about to get some premium fish at Applebee's?
I don't know.
Stay over there with your little burnt looking chicken tenders. Look at them shits. Look.
I heard chicken tenders is not real meat either because there's no bone.
And yeah, today is Saturday. I'm starting my day. I have a meeting to go to. I decided to like feel pretty today. The sun is out in New York, so we are headed to the city. Yeah, I like curled my hair. I did my makeup, girl. And I just have on like a chill outfit. It is extremely cold, so I've been battling with like, oh, do I want to look cute, or oh, do I want to be warm? So this goes up. So I guess once I get to the restaurant, I'll put it down. But this goes up, and then I'm gonna put on my cream jacket too, and then my Uggies, my cream Uggies. So yeah. Currently, I am Ubering to the city. I did not feel like driving today just because it's Saturday. I didn't feel like dealing with just parking and all of that. So I'm Ubering to the city. I have a meeting to go to. I'm starving. I was hungry last night. I went out with like Justin and Aaliyah to some little spot. And then I don't know, we were having, I don't know, I just didn't eat, and now I'm like even more hungry. So going to this restaurant, I can't remember the restaurant's name. Hold on, let me see. It is Jew Lane Club, and it's open till like 1 a.m. but this isn't the first time I've heard about it. Someone else told me that I should go there, but we'll see what it's all about. I don't even know what type of food it is, but it looks really nice from the images when I was searching the address up to even get there. It says it's a glitzy restaurant. I think it's Chinese, modern Chinese food. I'm down for anything at this moment. So I'll hit you guys up when I get there. Just in my Uber. Probably about to be in a little bit of traffic, but it's Saturday, so it's what it is. On this street, they're doing a little bit of construction over here, but they have a sushi spot, and this is the restaurant that I'm going to push. Ooh, red doors. So it smells so good in here. As I wait, I ordered a little mojito. It's Saturday, why not? And then while I was waiting for her because she's in traffic, I was trying to figure out like what I'm doing after this. I have a few friends that's in the city. It's like this Bob Marley tribute. There's a brunch in Brooklyn going on. My other friend hit me up like, oh, let's be mixy later on, and like mixy is just like let's mingle with everybody and see what everybody up to. So just waiting. This mojito is good. Oh yeah. Yeah, just be out. I have no intentions of going home anytime soon. So I got my charger on me. Touch up lipstick. So guys, I don't know if you guys knew this, but my building has this like lobby area. We also have a gym and other stuff. You can play pool, and nobody's ever down here. Like you can rent this out, but nobody's ever down here, so I think it doesn't even matter. I'm just down here right now because my apartment is being shown to someone, so I thought I'd show you guys like down here. So yeah, I'm just down here waiting to see, waiting for them to like look at my apartment. I cleaned up and everything, so hopefully they really like it and they sign a March 1st movement date, or February 15th, or February, no, I'm gonna be gone February 15th, or February 28th, whatever, something.
So what happens? I put you on one. I can get one on the side.
You know, when I walked back into my place from it being seen, I was like, oh girl, you got a nice home. Girl, it look good. How was the, did you give the people googly eyes so they can come and get this place, huh? Did you give them googly eyes? Yeah, that's my buddy. You gave him googly eyes. And on this Sunday is salad day and Netflix. Salad and Netflix. Alright guys, I'm in bed. I want to get in here and talk to you guys really quickly just about why I'm moving. I know I said it, but just to clarify, I'm moving because I want to be in a better location. And when living in New York, it's two things that you're going to choose from. You're going to choose space or you're going to choose location. And getting the perfect of both is so hard, especially at the right price point. It's just really expensive here, on top of like picking location or picking to have space. It is what it is. So I've been living in this current apartment for I've been living here for almost 8 months, and it's just not working. It's not working. After living here, I realized I just truly hate the location. I love the apartment, I hate the location. And because I feel this way and I can do something about it, I decided that I want to move. So my apartment is back on the market, and they're finding someone else to live here so that I can move out. And yeah, it is what it is. I'm super excited about moving because this time around I'm not looking for space. Well, yes, I want space, but I am looking for location. What is the best location for my lifestyle? What are the things surrounding? You know, I go out a lot, I do things a lot, so where I live is very important. And then how close it is to the city, to the things that I do there. And I just realized that living here, I don't go out as much because it just takes so long. When my friends text me and say, oh, Jayla, it's this party, come with, I'd be like, oh, I gotta get ready. It's gonna take like 45 minutes to get there. I don't even want to go by the time I do all of that. Or I'm late and I don't, it's just, I'm happy with the choice that I've made to move. So that's what we're doing. How can I explain this? Harlem was great. I feel like you're right in Manhattan. It's easy to go downtown. You just hop on the train. The only thing that's like kind of annoying is going from the west and east side, because once you're up that far, it's like the only train that goes from the west side to the east side and vice versa is on 42nd Street, or I think you have to even go further up to whatever. So going back and forth, you did have to Uber or walk, but the walk was like 20 minutes. I mean, when it's warm outside, it's a no-brainer walk, but when it's cold, girl, nobody was doing that. So the west side in Harlem is really, really popping, just because that's where all the food is, shops, like just everything is over there. It is a black community. That's something that I loved. I felt at home. I felt comfortable. You know, you just go into the store and you just feel at home. It's a good feeling. What I didn't like about Harlem was it's an older crowd, most definitely. I feel like young people are not necessarily living in Harlem. They're more so in Brooklyn. They have a nightlife, but it's a little bit of nightlife. It's like bars, but only a few that stay open late. So you wouldn't go to the club in Harlem. You go to a hookah spot, but not the club. You would go downtown or to Brooklyn. So Brooklyn has now more, you know, boppity bop spots. I don't know why I just said boppity bop spots, but I'm excited to take you guys along this journey of me, you know, exploring more locations and talking about them. I hope you guys are interested in that. So the next few vlogs, we're going to actually get up and go to some of these areas and actually see what's around there. And I guess I'll be talking about the different areas. So if you're excited for that, make sure you give it a thumbs up, this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section so I know like that is the type of content, you know, you guys are also looking for. Maybe you live in New York, or you want to move to New York, or you just want to know more about New York. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.